So here you go, out the box. You had the grass, 3 separate kind. You got the regular grass. It still has a hole if you need the tee. You got some of this stuff, which is like the rough, and then you have like the regular grass, the fairway. You get a bag for the actual tent and everything, and open this. You get the tees, or you put it underneath and through, and you get the 5 golf balls, which they feel like, okay, golf balls, they're not branded. I don't know what kind, but they're all right. So I'm gonna hit off the center. So you see underneath is 3 holes. You just stick this, whichever one you're probably gonna hit off of. You have this and the poles. I don't know what it does yet. You have some instructions. We'll see. You have some of these in case you have it outside and you need to stick it in the ground so it doesn't blow away. Here's the tent poles, quotation marks. And I assume this is the rest of the actual tent. So these, I believe, are 2 separate poles, and they just come out like this. They're all connected, so it should be easy. I thought I would have enough room indoors, but you need some good room. So I suggest assembling the 2 poles first. Like I said, they're easy to assemble. So this can get very confusing, but you spread it through the one side and then it goes down into this pocket here. It creates like a crisscross. Then on the other side does the same, but the opposite direction. So let's see if I can get this right. Where you put it at? Got some ties up top, just so you can keep it together. And I think this is inside out. I think it's inside out. Maybe that's why. Let me double check. You can see the crisscross should be at the top, outside, not inside. It's definitely more stable if you have it correct. That you can put this in quickly. The loops at the bottom. Yeah. And it does stay up pretty well, and it's pretty deep, so there won't be no strays as long as you stay in that area right there. So let's just practice and see. There we go. Then we can, let's chip it. Miss. Trying to chip it. Comes with everything you need except for a club. So if you're buying this, you probably have your own clubs. I understand. All right. So thanks for watching.